Okay, good morning. So we are at the King City Farm Day. We're going to be talking to some kids about mosquitoes and what we do out for mosquito abatement. So it should be a fun day. We're pretty excited, so we'll get into it. So we just got done. We're back at the office. It was a nice day at Farm Day. We got to talk to a lot of kids and all the chaperones and all the teachers about what we do here at mosquito abatement, trying to educate them about what we do, but also what they could do. It was really fun, and we can't wait until the next one.